Today we're going to make a delicious dessert, very similar to Serenito. In Spain, I know they're very familiar with it because it's their famous natillas. It's a smooth and super creamy dessert, delicious, and kids love it. For this recipe, we're going to use 800 ml of milk. We put it in a small pot to bring it to a boil. We're going to add the zest of 1 lemon. We have to be very careful not to grate the white part, just the yellow part. Once the milk boils, we remove it from the heat. On the other hand, we're going to use 3 eggs, but only the yolks. We're going to separate the yolks from the whites. I would really love it if you could share in the comments what recipe you would like us to make in the next video. Subscribe to our channel and visit us on Facebook and Instagram. We're adding 100 grams of sugar and starting to mix. We also add 30 grams of cornstarch or corn flour. We mix very well. And we add vanilla. We keep mixing very well. We'll add this mixture to the milk we've already heated. I would really like you to write in the comments what topic you would like us to cover in the next video. Natural cosmetics, healthy recipes, dessert recipes, homemade cleaning products. Which topic would you most like me to share with you? We set it to low heat. We're going to stir until it turns into a cream. And we never stop stirring. We're stirring the whole time until we can see that it gets thicker and takes on a creamy consistency. At that moment, we remove it from the heat and put it in a mold. We let it cool naturally, let it reach room temperature, and then we're going to add something to decorate and give it flavor: ground cinnamon. Then we put it in the fridge so it cools down really well. This dessert is best when served cold.